Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English teacher Miss Anila. How are you all? I hope you all must be fine. Today I am going to share a very good and very interesting story, and that is edited by David Force, and the story name is The Golden Touch. It has other stories also, but we are this time going to do this story, and that is The Golden Touch. And this story is related to ancient Greece, and these stories are specially about the god and goddesses, and it is all about magic. So this story also relates to magic. The Golden Touch. Midas was the name of a king, and he had a very good kingdom, and the people were also very happy in his country. And Midas also was a very good king, and he had everything. He was having everything, and but still he was much greedy about the gold, because he only wanted gold in his life, and so that's why the in that story the gods granted his wish, and when the wish was that whatever he touched can become the gold. And so the king Midas was very happy, and he had a beautiful palace with beautiful flower gardens and a lot of money and a loving family. In his family was his wife and his beautiful daughter. He had so much gold that his rooms were full of gold, but he was always wanting more and more gold in his and he hoped the more and more gold in his life. So he was praying for more and more gold. In those days, there was a god whose name was Dionysus, and he would often come down from heaven and spend some time on the earth. Dionysus was the god of wine, and he liked to drink wine all the time. And his best friend was Silences, and Silences was a half man and half animal. He was from waist to his head, he was a man, but the down portion, his under the waist, his portion was like a goat, and he was a hairy like a goat. He had hairy legs and a tail, and he had half the picture of an animal. So he was half man and he was half animal. One morning, King Midas went for a walk into his flowery garden, where he found Silenus asleep, and he was resting under the small tree, and he had so many empty bottles of wine beside him. So Midas was very angry. He told his servants to take him and put him in the prison. So in the prison also he was very happy. He was locked in the prison. You can see the picture of Silenus, and you can see the picture, his half body is like a man and half body is like the animal. So he was locked over there, and he did not punish him in any way, since he was not a bad king. Midas was a good king. He was not a cruel person. He was just greedy for gold. Now Dionysus looked everywhere for his friend Silenus, but he couldn't find it, since he was locked in Midas's prisoner. So now he went to the king Midas. Dionysus went to King Midas and told him that please free Silenus, because Silenus didn't come by himself. He had just come by mistake, and told King Midas that if you free his friend, then Dionysus is going to grant him a wish. Whatever wish he could ask, he will be granted. So now King Midas was, since he was greedy for gold, so he thought that he should have a wish that can make his whole palace made of gold, ships full of gold. So what should he wish for? Suddenly he had an idea, and he said that I want a wish that whatever I touch can become gold. So now Dionysus granted him the wish. Now whatever he will touch will become gold. So this much we have studied, and you also read it about it. And if you can try to make this you can try to make the picture of King Midas. And if you can understand and if you are able to do, you can write a few lines about King Midas. He was very kind, he was not cruel, he was kind, but he was greedy for gold. He had a loving family, he has a wife, he has a daughter. And he was a very good king, but only the bad thing was in him was that he was a greedy person. He was a very good father since he loved his daughter also. And this is all. So try to do this homework, but this homework will not be done in the language. This homework will be done in the literature copy. But for that also, first you have to make index and the title page. In that title page you will write golden touch, today's date, and then you will write the question. Write 5 lines on King Midas, and you can make the picture aside and write 5 lines on it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.